Hi, Christian, and everybody here at Finkster. My name is Mark Manley. I'm currently the director of a nonprofit. I worked before in the field of IT in general. I started off, doing like desktop support, and then eventually migrated to doing web development, front end web development, HTML, CSS, some JavaScript, and whatnot. And then I took an opportunity to start this nonprofit, and I've been busy with that for about 6 years. And I've been looking for a way, or thinking of a way, since it leaves me a fair amount of free time. I was looking for a way of generating some extra income. And I also was getting really interested in the fields of, data science and some other things, data visualization and other aspects. And I said, maybe I should go back to this idea or dream I had of learning to program, and maybe being able to pursue that as a side career. And who knows, maybe it'll eventually would turn into a full-time career. But I discovered, I think I actually discovered Christian on Twitter, and that led me to Finkster, and then I actually purchased the Coffee Break Python book, and I began to think more that I would perhaps benefit from a more structured environment. So I was looking to do something other than just kind of scrubbing YouTube videos myself. I wanted to go through a course. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm actually a little confused right now. I'm trying to find the course material. I've been through a lot of the videos about how to become a freelancer. I'm trying to learn to navigate my way around. Maybe I'm missing something, but I'm looking forward to learning. So thanks.